Welcome to Leasing Plus's handover of the outside of the Tesla Model 3. Your Model 3 will be delivered with two of these backup key cards, but your main key will be your mobile phone. The car will sense your mobile phone as you walk closely and will automatically unlock the car. If you find yourself in a position where your mobile's run out of battery or you don't have your mobile, the backup key card comes into play. In order to unlock the car, you must place the key card on the B pillar and the car will unlock. As this is a facelift Tesla Model 3, it benefits from a powered boot lid. In order to open the boot lid, it's done by pressing the button, or alternatively it can be done on the app or inside the car on the screen. The car will come with two cables. This is a Type 2 charging cable and is designed for untethered units. And this is a granny charger or trickle charger that's designed to charge slowly and will charge at approximately 7 miles an hour depending on the temperature. To close the boot lid, simply press the button at the top. To charge your car, you insert the charger under the flap. The flap can be opened inside on the screen or by pressing the button on your Tesla charger, or alternatively simply by placing your finger on the flap. You insert the charger and watch the T go go green. When it goes green, it's acknowledging it's charging. As and when you're finished charging and you're ready to set off, make sure the car is unlocked, press the button on your Tesla charger, remove the device, and after about 10 seconds, the flap will close automatically. Do not force it. Last but not least, we have a safety kit in the front and a towing eye cover, as well as a small storage space. If you have any questions about the outside of your Tesla Model 3, please do not hesitate to contact us at Leasing Plus. Thanks very much.